हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन द लास्ट वीडियो वी हैव सीन टोटल डिफरेंशिएशन, राइट? टोटल डिफरेंशिएशन यूजिंग द चैन रूल. Here I have few problem based on the total differentiation. Here is given u is the function of x by y, y by z, z by x. Then prove that x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y plus z into del u by del z equal to 0. Fine. So how to solve this? So this is the composite function. U is the function of x by y, y by z, z by x. So here what we do, we'll take the, let us take x by y equal to t1 and y by z equal to t2 and z by x equal to t3. So now your u is the function of t1, t2, t3 and t1 is the function of xy, t2 is the function of yz, t3 is the function of zx. So this is a composite function. U is the function of t1, t2, t3 and t1, t2, t3 is the function of x, y, z. So I'll say, see here u is the function of t1 and t1 is the function of x, y, z. Okay, z is not there, but okay, we'll try x, y. And u is the function of t2 and t is the function of x, y, z. And t is the function of t3, u is the function of t3 and t3 is the function of zx. So finally what is happening? U is the function of, indirectly function of x, y, z. U is the indirectly function of x, y, z. So now let us try to find out del u by del x. So del u by del x will be, here directly we cannot differentiate with respect to x, right? We have t1, so we can have del f by del t1 into del t1 by del x. Both are partial differentiation because this t1 is the function of x and y, function of two variables. So partial differentiation will come, right? Plus del f by d2, del d2 by del x plus del f by del t3 and del t3 by del x. Let us simplify. So del f by del t1. So let us highlight this one, f t1 into del t1 by del x. So we get 1 by y, right? Yes. Plus f t2 and del t2 by del x. So it is 0 because this t2 is the function of only y and z, plus del f by del 3. So f t3 and del 3 relation is minus z by x square. Now your x into ux equal to x by y f t1 minus z by x f t3. So we got the first term. Fine. Let me try the second term. Del u by del y del u by del y. So it will be a del u by del t1 by del y plus del u by del t2 and del t2 by del y plus del u by del t3 by del y. Fine. Now this is the u t1 and del t1 by del y. So it will be a minus x by y square plus del u t2. So del t2 by del y means 1 by z plus u t3 and del t3 by del y. So there is no y here, it will be 0. So we get uy equal to minus x by y square ut1 plus 1 by j 1 t2. If we multiply by y here, so y dy equal to minus x by y ut1 plus y by z ut2. This second one, let me find out the del u by del z. Del u by del z will be del u by del t1 by del z plus del u by del 2 d2 by dz plus del u by del t3 and del t3 by del z. Fine. Now this is the ut1 into del t1 by del z 0 plus ut2 del t2 by del z, so minus y by z square plus ut3 and del t3 by del z, so we get 1 by x. Fine. Now z uz equal to, I multiply with z here, so we are getting imply this 0 minus y by z ut2 plus z by x ut3. Third one. Let us add all together and see. So x ux plus y uy plus z uz equal to, so x ux means we have x by y f t1 minus z by x f t3. Y dy means minus x by y ut1 plus y by z ut2 minus y by z ut2 plus z by x ut3. It should be cancelled now, right? Let me check that. First one, yes, this is the f, right? Sorry, f. No u, right? Everything f only. Sorry, this all are f only. Sorry, here in the place of f I written u. Excuse me. So fine. So we got the 0, right? Yes. Fine. So your u del u by del x plus y del u by del y plus z del u by del z equal to 0. Okay. I'll take one more problem based on the same partial total differentiation. U is the function of 2x minus 3y, 3y minus 4z and 4z minus 2x. So prove that 6 ux plus 4 uy plus 3 uz equal to 0. Fine. The same thing, we'll take that 2x minus 3y equal to t1, 3y minus 4z equal to t2 and 4z minus 2x equal to t3. So your u is the function of now t1, t2, t3. Now let us find out the ux. Ux is del u by del x equal to del u by del t1 by del x plus del u by t1, del t2 by del x plus del u by del t3 by del 3 by del x. Fine. Now what is the del u by, so let us this one and del t1 by del x. So we get 2 plus ut2 and del t2 by del x 0 plus ut3 del t3 by del x minus 2. So we are getting 2 ut1 minus 2 ut3. Fine? I think yeah. Okay. So now this is your ux. Now we need to get 6 ux. So I write here 6 ux equal to 12 ut1 minus 12 ut3. First term I got it. Fine. Okay. Now let us get the second term. Del u by del y equal to del u by del t1 by del y plus del u by del t2 by del y plus del u by del t3 by del y. Fine. This is the ut1 and del t1 by del y. So minus 3 plus ut2 del t2 by del y. So we get 3 plus ut3 and del t3 del y 0 because t3 is the free from y. So we get your uy equal to minus ut1 plus 3 ut2. So we will multiply by 4 here. So if you multiply by 4, uy equal to minus 12 ut1 plus 12 ut2. Fine. Second one. Let us take third one. Del u by del z equal to del u by del t1 by del z plus del u by del t2 by del z plus del u by del 3 del t by del z. Fine. Now ut1 del t1 by del z 0 because this t1 is the free from z plus ut2 del t2 by del z minus 4 plus ut3 del t3 by del z. So we get 4. So here we have 3. So 3 your uz equal to minus 4 ut2 plus 4 ut3. So minus 3 uz equal to minus 12 u22 plus 12 ut3. Right? If you add all three equations, so on the left hand side we get the 6u plus 4uy plus 3uj. What about this side? 0. Right? So left hand side 6ux, I write here 6ux left hand side plus 4uy plus 3uj. Right hand side 0. Everything got cancelled. So this one. So we have proved that 6ux plus 4uy plus 3uz equal to 0. So based on the chain rule, we have solved this two problem. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.